When you know that you are going to be using a continuous random variable to categorize the data that you're collecting or observing, it's going to really not work to create a frequency table for each value of that random variable. That's going to be a nightmare because no two observations are going to be quite the same. In this example, we have employee ID number, and we give them each a stopwatch and how long is it going to take to get into work. Well, it's not going to take anybody other than this one person, this one time, 2.4 minutes or 6.6068 minutes. That's just never going to happen again. The way we get around this problem is that we create buckets. So the main thing that I want to emphasize is just what are the nature of the buckets? Well, first of all, except for maybe the first bucket and or the last bucket, the buckets are all going to be the same width, right? We're basically working in 10-minute increments because that's what groups our data the most naturally. The way that you're always going to see these ranges is so that there is no overlap, but each of the ranges should be the same width. And then the last thing is these sort of less than some value or 50 or more. That's where common sense comes in. You look at the data, is there anything really interesting going on, or does it start to really spread out? So once we get to employee 41, it seems like there's just a wide dispersion in the data as to when people are coming in. And so maybe it's best to just leave it at 50 or more and say we fought the good fight. But in general, you want to be careful with this. When in doubt, include an extra row like 50 to 59.99, but at some point it may make sense for you to just kind of cap it off the way we've done here.